If you've ever used the Korg NanoKontrol2 with Ableton Live, then you've probably experienced this before. I've got my NanoKontrol2 here. Yes, it's beaten up. It's seen better days, but it still works really well. But I'm going to press play, and as soon as I press play, you'll hear the click over in Ableton triggers twice, okay? I want to show you in this video how to solve that and how to fix that. But before we do that, let's talk about how I got this connected to my computer and how I set up this MIDI mapping. So first, to start with, I've got my NanoKontrol2 connected via USB to my computer. Now let's go over into Ableton Live, and we're going to go to MIDI preferences by using the Command, keyboard shortcut. If you're on a PC, you'll do Control, then you want to go to the link tempo MIDI section here. And on the input side, you want to find your NanoKontrol2. So here's mine, and I want to make sure that I enable remote. Simply what this means is I want to be able to remotely control Ableton Live from my NanoKontrol2. Now with that, let's close this window and let's make our MIDI mappings. Now in order to enter MIDI map mode, we can do Command M, Control M if we're on a PC, Command M if we're on a Mac, or we can go up to this MIDI mapping button here, and anything that is blue can be mapped to our MIDI controller. So let me delete these mappings that I made previously, and I'm going to click the play button in Live, and then I'm going to press play on my NanoKontrol2. Now let's go to the stop button in Live, and I'm going to press the stop button on my NanoKontrol2. Now I can hit Command M to get out of MIDI map mode. And at this point, my MIDI controller is connected to my computer. I've enabled my MIDI preference. Everything is good except for the fact that that is happening. Now, the reason that's happening is this play button is set to be what's called momentary, which means as soon as I press it and then release it, the feature goes away, as opposed to being toggle, which would be when I press it, it stays until I press it again and it stops. Now, this is super easy to edit and change. And the way we're going to do this is use a free software that's available from Korg's site. And this is called Korg Control Editor. So let me take you over to my computer and show you that. If you've got your computer, your NanoKontrol2 connected to your computer, you should see it show up here and pop up in this select target device window, which it is for me. So I'm going to click OK. Now what I want to do is go to my play button, and right now it's sending CC41. What I want to do is go to the button behavior and change it from momentary to toggle. And again, toggle means when I press play and let go, it's not going to send the signal twice. It's only going to send the signal, that CC message, when I press down. And then if I were to press again, it would send it again. Okay. So changing this from momentary to toggle, then we need to go up to the communication menu option here and do write scene data. And it's going to fuss at us and say, this will rewrite data on the Korg NanoKontrol2. Are you sure? I'm going to click OK, and it's going to write it. So now if we did this right, everything should work perfectly fine. So we still have our MIDI mapping, but let's press play on our NanoKontrol2 and listen to our click in Ableton Live. Okay. So now again, if I press that again, it will double trigger there because it's set to toggle, but just by pressing it once, it's only going to play that note once. And then of course I can press stop to stop that. So that's how to fix the double trigger type thing that you're experiencing with your Korg NanoKontrol2 with Ableton Live. Now, if you want to see more tutorials like this and to figure out how to use Ableton Live on stage for tracks, for key sounds, and to control all your automation elements, then do me a favor and subscribe to this channel. We post new tutorials every single day of the week at 10 a.m. Central, and you'll find all that content here on the From Studio to Stage YouTube channel. If you're wondering how to subscribe, just check out the first comment that I've linked here and pinned to the top, and you can click that link and subscribe right away. And if this video helped, give me a thumbs up, turn on the bell icon, you know what to do, so you get notifications of new content. But thanks so much for watching this video. We'll see you tomorrow, 10 a.m. Central. We'll see you next week at 10 a.m. Central, no matter what day you watch, because there'll be a new video there. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Take care. Bye.